Actually assembling our poster, I just want to show you a couple last tools that might come in handy. And I've kind of used one of them a little bit already, which is zooming in and out. So if you go up into view, one of the most useful commands is to fit on screen, which will always show you your entire canvas on the screen so you can make sure that you're seeing the edges of everything you're working on. But sometimes you want to zoom in. Makes sense. Down here at the bottom, you can use the zoom tool. And as you can see, the default is to go in. And so as you click, you get closer. Now down here in the corner, you might notice it tells you what your magnification is. So now I'm zoomed all the way into 100%. I can also go ahead and type in, if I want to say 75, I can type that in and it'll automatically do it. If I go up to the top here, if I want to zoom back out, I can change my cursor to the zoom out, or I can zoom in. Now when I'm zoomed in, sometimes I want to move around, but I don't want to be actually moving my image. I just want to move what I can see on screen. So that's the pan tool, which is the little hand here, which kind of grabs the image and moves it. So now I can make sure I can see my corners, so I can click, and when I drag, it moves in that direction. Now Photoshop is smart. It does also behave like your phone, where if you've got two fingers, you can kind of move it around. But this is like the official moving tool to make sure that you're not accidentally actually moving your pieces within the screen, but you're just moving your view around. And again, if you go up to Command 0, it'll fit everything on the screen for you. I may forget to do things from the windows up here, and I might use the quick key commands at times because again, after you've used this for about a decade or so, you do kind of get used to all the key commands. But I try to, when possible, show you where the original tool lives so that you know where to find it until you too get super comfortable with all of the quick command keys. So down here we've got our viewing tools where we can zoom in and we can move things around. And as you can see, if you hover over any of the tools, it will in fact give you a little video that shows you what each of them does, which is super handy as well.